Hello everyone, welcome to Jurisage Academy, the founder of Jurisage. Today I am going to talk about the next 30 days preparation strategy. But before that, there are a lot of questions that have been asked by you in our WhatsApp number. The questions like, sir, whether the MCQ based question will be asked or the comprehension based question. So basically, it will be comprehension based question because CLAT Consortium explicitly mentioned in their website regarding the different passages from different important judgments. That hasn't been updated, though the 40% cutoff has been removed, so that's a very good sign for all of you. I hope you people are happy regarding that there is no cutoff like 40% qualification cutoff. And then third important thing is that the 120 marks MCQ, so there will be no subjective that I have already talked about, but nonetheless I just given you the update. So there is no MCQ based question, so don't get into the trap that you are going to go and get the MCQ wala thing. You are not going to get it. आपको जो मिलेगा वो कॉम्प्रिहेंशन वाला क्वेश्चंस मिलेगा, तो उसके लिए आपको जजमेंट्स पढ़ने पड़ेंगे. Now the important thing that I'm going to talk about is the next 30 days preparation strategy. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to it and press the bell icon. So let's talk about the 30 days preparation strategy. Now in that phase, the next 30 days, what we are getting into, it's very important. We can calculate each and every time, we can strategically move ahead, and we can utilize the maximum out of these particular 30 days or whatever the 25-30 days, whatever we have. Now if I talk about that we can do only 4 hours and you can crack the exam, I'll be lying to you. That's not possible because there are 13-14 subjects are there. Uske baad you people are going for different exams, so it's not possible by reading only 4 hours. नहीं हो सकता. उसके बाद judgments भी है, ठीक है, तो judgments have been added, तो 4 घंटे में तो possible नहीं है. So I'm not going to give you 4-hour strategy. What I'm going to give you the 8-hour strategy. Now why 8-hour strategy? Now there are a lot of people who are doing 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours for them. I'll tell you, I hope you are managing very well. That's pretty good, but try to increase the number because only 30 days left. Why not? I mean, put another 1 or 2 hours. If you have any, please do it, because otherwise उसके बाद तो आपको आपका चांस चला जाएगा, ठीक है. So that's why it's very important you can put your 1 or 2 hours more or 3 hours more for your exam preparation. Now in that 8-hour strategy, we're going to talk about how we are going to bifurcate the 8 hours. So it's very important. Now in the first bifurcation, I'm going to talk about the 3 hours strategy. The 3 hours, in the first 3 hours, basically what you are going to do, you are going to do and revise the basics. Now basics are very important. Why I am saying the 3 hours for basic, because the ILAT is also there on 18th, so you have to do your basics very well. There are different subjects, though the subjects are overlapping with the CLAT, but subjects are there definitely, and the approach is totally different. Okay, because that is MCQ based and this one is comprehension based, so both the approach is totally different, and in that regard we have to just make ourselves abreast with a different kind of approach. So that's why basics are very important for CLAT and ILAT both. So I will tell you, definitely you have to do the 3 hours revision every day. Now if we talk about the subjects, now you might be asking, sir, there are not a lot of subjects are there in the ILAT. ILAT has only 6 or 7 subjects. Definitely true. So in that regard, what I'm going to tell you, all of you, to read this 8 or 9 subjects very thoroughly in your revision time, because that will help you a lot. The other 4 or 5 subjects you can do little bit of less revision, और आपको थोड़ा बहुत basic से भी चल जाएगा, ठीक है. But ये 8-9 subjects बहुत अच्छे से करो. It's very important for all of you. Now, what are those subjects? Subjects are constitution, jurisprudence, contract, tort, international law, criminal law. Definitely criminal law तो ILAT के लिए बहुत important है and CLAT के लिए भी बहुत important है. So 6 subjects I mentioned. The other 3 subjects are environmental law, family law and administrative law. These 9 subjects should be done thoroughly and revision बहुत अच्छे से होना चाहिए. Now what are the 5 subjects you can do less? कम से भी चलेगा. Those subjects are company law, tax law, then the labor law, IPR, and arbitration if you want to study, and the property law. These 4, 5, 6 subjects अब थोड़ा बहुत कम कर सकते हो because there are multiple exams that you are approaching, तो सबका different approach रहेगा. तो उसके चलते that I am suggesting all of you those 9 subjects or 8 to 9 subjects what I mentioned earlier, please go for the thorough revision for those subjects, because those subjects revision will help you in CLAT and IELTS or DU or BHU or ILI or IIT खड़गपुर, जिसमें भी जाओगे उसमें हेल्प करेगा आपका. हो गया. Now getting into the another 3-hour strategy. Now another 3-hour strategy is very important. नेक्स्ट 3-hour strategy में हम लोग बात करेंगे कि हम लोग अभी तो बहुत जजमेंट्स पढ़े हैं. I hope everyone has done 50, 60, 70, hundreds of judgments. I don't know how many you have. So definitely आप लोग बहुत judgments किए हो, and every day the new judgments are piling up. So but new judgments तो है, but पुराने judgments हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से करने हैं, क्योंकि सबको ही बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट्स अभी तक कर चुके हैं, and those judgments are very important for all of us to go through again, revise it again, because जजेस नेम पूछे जा सकते हैं, उससे बेंच के नेम पूछे जा सकते हैं, उसमें डिफरेंट केस के नेम भी पूछे जा सकते हैं जो केस के अंदर है. ठीक है, ऑल दोस थिंग्स कैन बी आस्क्ड टू यू, सो दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव टू रिवाइज दोस इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. एंड आई होप आप लोग जब पहले जजमेंट्स पढ़े थे, दोस जजमेंट्स वर रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड यू चोज दोस इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट्स टू बी डन फर्स्ट. सो दैट्स व्हाई those judgments have to be done thoroughly and revised properly, so that कि उस judgment से कुछ भी आ जाए, कुछ छूटे ना. ठीक है, so that's why next 3-hour strategy में हम लोग ये करेंगे कि जो पुराने वाले जजमेंट, इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट किए हैं, या जो इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट्स पढ़े थे हम लोग इन थॉरो, ठीक है, इन टोटो वी हैव डन इट, दैट वी हैव टू रिवाइज इट प्रॉपर्ली. सो हम लोग का 6 घंटे का हो गया, 3 घंटे बेसिक रिवीजन और 3 घंटे जजमेंट रिवीजन. नाउ नेक्स्ट 2 hours आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द मॉक. नाउ मॉक के चलते व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, there is a very good update from our side that I'm going to tell you in the end of this particular video. But before that, what I'm going to tell you is that in the mock, basically you can do one thing. You can, in the alternate days, you can take one CLAT PG mock or the comprehension based mocks, or the next day you can take one MCQ based mock. The why I am telling you, basically it's simple, because IELTS PG has a different approach and CLAT has a different approach, so you can alternatively you can do that thing. Okay, so आपका ये 8 घंटे का स्ट्रेटेजी हो गया. 3 घंटे बेसिक रिवीजन, 3 घंटे पुराने वाले जजमेंट्स रिवीजन, एंड बाकी 2 घंटे आपके हो गए मॉक, एंड मॉक के अच्छे से एनालिसिस भी करना. सो दिस 8 hours डन. नाउ बाकी आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डेल्व इनटू द अदर hours because it totally subjective in nature. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो बाकी घंटों में, if you want to do more, because I hope there are a lot of students whom I have talked to, they are putting around 11 hours, 12 hours, even more than that. So for all of them, you can do those for the extra hours that you are putting. For extra hours, you can definitely take those extra hours and put them in the new judgments reading. कर सकते हो आप, new judgments पढ़ सकते हो, और आप ऐसा कर सकते हो जिसमें आप weak हो, you are feeling that I am not that good, you are taking the mock, you are not scoring good in that particular subject. आप क्या कर सकते हो, you can just basically do read that particular subjects very well in that extra time. Okay, so that surplus time must be utilized thoroughly according to your subjective nature, but the 8 hours that I told you, that must be done properly and thoroughly. So this is the strategy for the next 25 days. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. But next, move into the big update that I want to share all of you, is that we have done 2 open mocks. Okay, I hope a lot of you have participated in that, in the 2 mocks. That's very good. A lot of you have improved your performance, but now this time we are organizing another open mock, and the beauty of this mock, there is no registration fees. All of you can participate, and definitely I want all of you to do participate, because one last time we can check our preparation, we can improve our preparation, and it will be comprehension based mock. All in a rank will be there, everything you can get it in that particular mock, so it will be very very interesting. And also do one thing, please, ये इस वीडियो को आप शेयर करो आपके दोस्तों के साथ जो CLAT PG दे रहे हैं और CLAT PG देने वाले हैं, everything. Just go and take that participation in that particular mock, because that mock would be free, and lot of people, if lot of students are participating, you can gauge your preparation level to that level. Okay, you can gauge your preparation level to very minutely, and that will help you basically improve your performance better. आपको पता चलेगा आपका स्टैंडर्ड क्या है, आपको पता चलेगा आपके प्रिपरेशन का स्टैंडर्ड कैसा है, आपको पता चलेगा आपको कहां पर इंप्रूव करना है, and it can be done free of cost. There is no registration fees. Okay, so please do register in it. The registration link is given below in the description. Kindly do register and be there 29th 3 to 5 the exam. Please be there. Thank you all of you. See you soon. Thank you.